Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. Today is a double upload day. I just uploaded the review of the gold and black metallic Jordan 1s, and now we're about to get into one of my favorite Yeezys of all time. Now, I'm super excited to tell y'all, which y'all probably already know, the Yeezy 350 V2 Bred is officially re-releasing. Now, the reason why this is important is because I feel like Kanye is looking out for us, okay? Now, if you own a pair of these already, then you probably aren't happy with this new upcoming release, because we all know that your sneaker value depends on how exclusive it is. And by they restocking, that means the price is definitely gonna drop in resale value. And not only is the price gonna drop, okay? We talking about it's supposed to be over it's supposed to be 500,000 pairs. Like 576,000 to be exact. I don't want to quote that, but that's the number that's floating around the community, and I just want to kind of expand on that. But if you are here to figure out how to cop your pair of, I was about to say Air Jordan, bro, I am tweaking, Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Bred, and you definitely came to the right video. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so guys, like I told y'all, it will be a lot of pairs of these. So that means they probably going to be widely available. The thing is, I didn't know they was gonna be this widely available. When I looked on my Foot Locker app, trying to figure out, how to go after these, it said first come, first serve, bro. Yes, first come, first serve. I couldn't believe it, bro. I literally could not believe it. I've never seen a Yeezy first come, first serve. I think what Kanye is trying to do is he's trying to mimic the quantity of the Air Jordan 11 releases, right? Throughout the entire year, Jordans drop, but we all know around Christmas time, around holiday time, when the Jordan 11s drop, it's always a million pair, right? When the Concourse came out, it was like a million pair. The Space Jams was like a million pair. Every time it's like a holiday release, it's always like a million pairs, and it's usually like the Jordan 11 that drops in December. So if you ask me, this is Kanye's Jordan 11 to us, right? This is the December drop. It's supposed to be dropping December 5th for a retail price, I believe, of $220. And it's supposed to be over 500,000 pairs. And I really think he's just trying to, just make sure everybody gets some. Now, with that being said, I do want to warn a lot of y'all that's probably like, okay, cool. You know what I'm saying? 500,000 pair, I should be fine. It doesn't always go like that. I truly do believe if you put the work in to get a pair, then you probably can. But resellers will still be out here grabbing 60 to 30 pair if you let them. So I'm gonna pretty much give y'all a breakdown of what to do and how to go about these, and just a few facts that you probably didn't know about. The first thing you want to do, okay, is check out the apps, because some apps might be different. I just shared that Foot Locker in my city, which is Atlanta, is doing first come, first serve in selected stores. That might not be what your store is doing. They might still be going over the app. So you want to figure this out now. I used to be real bad on procrastinating, trying to figure out when shoes is doing what and what stores do. Don't do that, okay? Just be ahead, you know what I'm saying? Actually do the due diligence to figure out what is the sneaker store doing. So look at your apps, whether it be the Adidas app. It's actually launched on the Adidas app right now. You can sign up and register for the Adidas app. The Bred V2 is loaded right now. Then you have the Foot Locker app. In my city, they're doing first come, first serve. Check yours. But you also have Foot Action, Hibbett Sports. You also have, what else is out there? You got Foot Action, you got Finish Line, you have Champ Sports. All of these stores have apps where, you have to buy the shoe. So many people still hit me to this day like, man, I can't just walk in the mall and buy it. And it's like, no, I don't. You can't do that. You have to download these apps, create an account, and then go to the sneakers that are launching this week, and then you'll just properly fill out the form or whatever you have to fill out over there on the app to be able to enter the raffle for these shoes. Another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was the other sites that might have pairs for you guys to pick up. Now it's gonna be like End is having a raffle, BTS is having a raffle. I forget, but it's a lot of stores, online stores, that's having raffles, and just due to the amount of pairs that's out there, I would say, entering these raffles is free, so I always say go for that. It's always a good chance that you can hit on one of those when it's a big release. Then you have your mom and pops, so not even really your mom and pops, but it's the stores that's not on the app, which is the DTLRs, the Jimmy Jazzers. They usually do raffles. So you might want to call those stores and ask, when are they doing raffle tickets? When are you going to be able to come through and actually manual sign your ticket to be able to get your pair? Like I said, I know there will be hundreds of people, calling about this, trying to figure this out. You got to stay on your A game, man. You got to be able to keep your head on the swivel and sign these tickets, man, because I'm telling y'all, you don't want to be that person that missed out on shoes, or at least on a shoe that had 500,000 pairs made. This is not a good feeling, especially if you definitely want them. No matter what, if this shoe would have released 7 times already and I didn't have a pair, I would still want it. Like I told y'all earlier, this is one of my favorite ever Yeezy Boost 350s of all time. And another pair over here is my Zebras. I don't care how many times the Zebras release, it's not about exclusivity to me always. It's about, what I like to wear and what's cool to me. And those are one of my favorite Yeezys as well. I did tell you guys that they are dropping on the Adidas app. So I don't believe they will be going live in the morning like they usually do, because when they're placed on the app, that's like taking place for the website. So you don't have to wake up super early for Adidas, I would say. You still have to take your chances other places. But for Adidas.com, they will be placed on the app in order for you guys to pick it up. Now, resale for these is still in the 400s, okay? So if you check StockX right now, you're still looking at 400 plus. That number will drop, especially with the number of pairs I'm hearing is going to be available. The number will drop actually pretty significantly, bro. I think it'll probably be down to like the low 300s. Like 300, 320, around that area. Probably like the day it drops or the day after it drops, I'm predicting to be like, $300 to $320, which isn't bad, because think about it, it's only $100 over the retail price. I mean, I remember when these things were going for $600, $500, you know what I'm saying? Maybe even more than that. And it just goes to show the damage that a resale can do. So I actually hope that Kanye goes back and resells, or at least, puts back out a lot of his older sneakers, the ones that I missed out on back when getting Yeezys was almost impossible, like the Oreos, right? The green stripe, the solar red stripes. Those were Yeezys that I always wanted to get my hands on, but yet I could never really get them, because back then it was damn near impossible. And I know a lot of people, I know a lot of people will be mad if they restocked on those, because that would definitely hurt some pockets. I know my boy, I always tell this story. When the Zebras first came out, it was super limited, like extremely limited, to the point where like only like a percentage of the world had these joints. And my boy paid $1,200 for them, and they restocked like 5-6 times. You know what I'm saying? The Utility Blacks just restocked. I still got the original pair, but Kanye is known for restocking now. Just kind of how Jordan had a retros. I think he's going to be restocking a lot. And that's why I think the Yeezy resale market kind of dropped, because the exclusivity of it kind of is in shambles. So I'm not really sure, guys. I just want to get your opinion. I know a lot of you guys are excited about this drop. I mean, I know for a fact I am. It don't matter how many times these drop. I need them. I'm here for them. And I cannot wait to get these in the collection. So we do have the Yeezy Bred V2 350 for the retail price of $220, dropping December 5th. Make sure that you go out and do everything you can to pick up your pair of Yeezys. I'm even hearing selected Dick's Sporting Goods will have this shoe. If Dick's Sporting Goods got the shoe, bro, I mean, godly, bro. I mean, everybody should have it at that point. I mean, Dick's Sporting Goods got it, everybody should have it. But regardless, I will be having those in. I will be doing the review. I really wish I can get them early. I haven't seen or, talked to any credible sources, at least, that had early pairs, because I would have been had them already. I need them like that bad. But I will be having them here for a review, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so you can continue to watch all these how to cops and any additional information that comes from any other releases. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel also, because the merch is dropping at 70K. I'm super excited to get that merch going. And that's just about it for me, man. I will catch up with y'all in the next one. Let me know your comments and opinions of the Adidas Yeezy Boost V2 Bred. Until next time, it is your boy Snapper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.